Hi, this is Michael Tosner for Home Energy Alterations LLC. We are at a home here in New Jersey, and we have set up a blower door. In this video, we're going to discuss the blower door and what it tells us about your home as far as its air leakage. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the components, all the instrumentation that's attached to this blower door, and describe a little bit about the diagnostic process we go through as the blower door is running to test your house. Okay, so the primary objective with the blower door test is to first depressurize the house, and we do this by setting up a door ceiling frame into which we're going to place a very large, powerful fan. This fan, the force of the fan blowing out is what's going to create the negative pressure inside the house. Okay, so once we have our door frame in place, our front exterior door is sealed off, we have our fan hooked up, we've gone around the house, we've closed all the exterior facing doors. Any door that goes to the outside of the house is going to be closed, and any interior door, any door to a bedroom, any door to bathroom doors, dining room doors, any interior door is going to be wide open. We want to basically expose this fan to the shell of the house. We don't want anything interfering with the draw of this fan on the shell. Once we have that set up, we hook up our manometer. Our manometer is basically a pressure gauge. It's got 4 inputs. It's got 2 separate channels. Okay, of the 4 inputs that are on our manometer, our pressure gauge, we're going to hook 2 up to hoses. One is going to go outside the house so that we can reference the exterior air pressure, and we want to keep a 50 pascal difference inside the house as opposed to the outside. The other one, the red tube, is going to go to the interior of the fan to measure how much air is actually flowing through the fan as we reach that 50 pascal pressure difference. So how hard the fan has to work tells us how leaky your house is. Okay, so once we've established the quantitative assessment of how leaky your house is, we can go around and start to look for those leaks. We do it using very low tech, just going around with our hands and feeling for drafts. We use smoke sticks, non-toxic smoke sticks, and we also use a thermal imaging camera. The thermal imaging camera is really a valuable tool for us because if there's any kind of temperature differential between the interior and exterior air, which is often the case, we can just go around with our thermal camera and it'll show us actually the cold or warm air leaking into the house through cracks and penetrations. So some of the areas we're going to investigate while the blower door is running with our thermal camera or with smoke sticks or their hands are going to be any recessed lighting, any registers for heating and air conditioning, any windows and doors, sill plates. We're going to check rim joists. We're going to check any kind of penetrations in the building shell for mechanical ventilation, like your oven hood or dryer vent. These are the usual suspects when it comes to air leakage. So when we have identified leaks, we can actually either do a temporary or permanent fix on the leak, and we can actually see on our manometer the impact of our changes on the leakage footprint of the building. So that constitutes the bulk of what we do during the blower door test. We have some more videos on our site regarding the infrared camera usage. I think you'll find very educational. We also have some videos on our ceiling and our insulation analysis. I encourage you to watch those videos as well. Thank you again for your time, and we look forward to doing business with you.